Hello, everybody. This week, we're going to move on to the next step of our Humans of Guilderland project, which is an organizer reflection. Our focus this week will be to look at the interview notes that we've gathered, look at how we've put them in a plot diagram, and to see what additional information do we need before we start to write our draft. And this video will walk you through exactly how to do that one small step at a time. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's an overview of the steps that you will complete during this assignment. So first, you're going to want to make sure that you watch the whole Loom video. If you've already started, you're watching right now, you're on the right track. Keep watching because we'll give you all the information that you need to do this. Second, there'll be an organizer reflection that you'll complete where you'll do some thinking about what you have. Then there'll be a space for you to gather the additional interview information. And then last, you'll complete a photo analysis. So let's go ahead and get started. So here's your organizer reflection. And if you need a refresher on the directions, Ms. Fox and I have put them in the upper left-hand corner for you just in case you forget. So the first step, the first question asks you, what is one part of your plot diagram where you need more information? So we have two choices here. Ms. Fox and I want you to think about your exposition or the introduction and the resolution or the conclusion. Which area do you think you need a little bit more information? And you're going to click and drag one of those text boxes into that space. Second, you're going to answer the question, why did you make this choice? We've given you a sentence starter to help. So you're going to answer, we'll say, I made this choice because, and then you'll finish the sentence. And last, what is your plan to make it better? So what are you going to do to get more information? Are you going to ask your interviewee more questions? Are you going to listen to your recording again and take more notes? Or will you watch the Flipgrid again and take more notes from there? You're going to delete the boxes that don't apply. So the only box that's left is the one that is your plan. Here is a space for you to take your extra notes. So here are the two areas for your plot diagram. You're going to pick the one that you are going to be focusing on. You can delete the one that you're not worried about. And then here are some spaces for you to take notes. And Ms. Fox and I would like you to have set a goal for you to add 3 more details to your notes. And you're going to type them right in that space. And last is your photo analysis. So you're going to insert here the photo that you took for your interview right in that space. And hopefully you've got that saved in your Google Drive somewhere in your email. And then we've got 3 questions that we would like for you to answer. And we've given you some sentence starters to help. First, describe what is in your photos. So your answer will say, the details in my photo are, and then you will finish the sentence. Next, explain what emotions are being shown to the reader in your photo. So here's our sentence starter. The emotions being shown in my photo are, and then you will finish the sentence. And last, explain how this photo matches the story you plan to write. My photo matches the story I will write because, so you want to think, what's the connection between your photo and the story? They have to match somehow, and we want to know what that connection is. So you want to make sure that before you turn this in, you've watched our whole Loom video here, giving you all the directions, that you've completed the organizer reflection, you've gathered some additional interview information, and last, you've completed the photo analysis. If you've done all of those steps, then you can go ahead and turn in your assignment back in Google Classroom because you are all done. If you have any questions, any part of this gets a little tricky, send an email to Ms. Fox or myself or see us in class, and we'd be more than happy to help you out. Good luck.